Maraming mga negosyante, including me, ay guilty of not appreciating their people or employees. For you, this may not be a big deal, but for your employees, it is. Napakalaking bagay ang ma-recognize at ma-appreciate. So if you want your team to have camaraderie, to have better relationships, if you want to improve their morale, then do the appreciation exercise, which is so simple. The next time merong kang activity, allocate a portion of that time intended only para sa appreciation exercise, which you will do with your people or employees. Napakasimple. Kuha kayo ng papel, and list as many as you of the things that you appreciate na ginawa ng iyong kapwa-empleyado, kapwa-member, ng iyong boss, ng iyong may-ari ng kumpanya, ng iyong mga kliyente, be it directly, indirectly, monetary ba yan, intangible, tangible, na pinapasalamatan at ina-appreciate. Doing this exercise, you will highlight for each and every one of them ano yung mga contribution ng bawat isa, ng boss, ng kumpanya, ng kapwa nila empleyado to the success of the organization. So this is how, as a company, you will grow because you focus on positive things and you highlight them that you as the owner, these things are not left unnoticed. No matter how small, you recognize and you appreciate. Napaka-importante ng appreciation. It is a skill that you can develop and you can teach for your organization.